Okay. End of session number 10. Oh, that was bad. Taking the max off. It's 17 or 27 degrees out right now. Oh, I'm breathing the cold air after coming off the elliptical for 5 minutes, and then prior to that doing lunges, and then let's see, did squats, and then holding the ball with my knees, and lifting my stomach and my butt off the table. So those are the oh yeah, and the bicycles on my back. So that was my session. And like I said in the beginning of the video here, I'm now in my cotton briefs and using a thick pad. And I did check before I started the elliptical, or the lunges and the elliptical. I checked the pad, and I had no leakage. I didn't feel like I had any leakage either. So the thing with it's been 6 months. It's been since September 8th since I had the operation, and I can't remember when I started. I'm on my 10th therapy session. I don't know when your system decides that it's not in shock anymore after it. So it was like 2 months before I was able to set this up for the pelvic floor. So pelvic floor therapy. So and I've gone from can't hold it at all, using a brief and a thick I want to call maxi pads, and then filling those easily in a day. It all depends on how much you drink during the day, what you drink. Anything caffeinated is going to aggravate your bladder, so you're going to urinate more. As you slowly back out. So I gotta let you know that those briefs, you're only going to be good for 3 days at the most, because you're going to sweat the brief out. But you're going to have to, of course, change your pads daily, or more. I was doing, I think, 3 pads. Did I say I was doing 3 pads a day? So because what's happened if you drink 16 ounces of Gatorade or whatever, or water, it's going to go right through you, because you've got no muscle. You got no muscles. So as of last night, I only get up once, and I've been monitoring probably 8 ounces, maybe 8 ounces of urine, and then I may go one, maybe two or 3 times during the day. I'm able to control it. And again, if I go anywhere, I'm using the thick Depends pad. I'll go Depends pad. And then you also so the Depends pad, thick pad, and then you got a thin pad. So right now I'm using the Depends thick pad with a set of cotton underwear. So I've just gone somewhere, and I just changed over to that last night. So we'll see how this transpires. Again, because those briefs do not breathe. You're sweating constantly. I've been real lucky. I haven't gotten a rash with them, but you know, it all depends on what you're doing. It can rub you. They can rub you raw. So just be aware when you're using those. Now all this is because of prostatectomy. Okay, this isn't radiation, so I don't know how that's going to affect radiation people, because I'm sure the more the radiation therapy continues. I was going to go for 47 sessions, like 15 minutes. You're going to get worse and worse because of your pelvic floor. Also, you're drinking all that fluid before the therapy or before the radiation treatment. So that's also going to be an issue as well. I need to follow up with you followers that have had the radiation or are having the radiation. So I'm just curious. My therapist mentioned that average of about a year, full circle, is when you're at your peak of whatever you're going to live with the rest of your year, rest of your life. So we'll wait and see. You know, I'm right now at 6 months since I had the surgery. It's probably 4 months of this pelvic floor therapy. So, okay, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Crosby's Vlogs.